So, once na naka-download na po tayo ng Venable, so mag-create na po tayo ng account. So, i-type lang po natin ang ating email address. Then, ilagay po natin ang ating password. Then, ang first name po natin. And then, ang last name. So, eto po, skip lang po natin. Ilagay po natin ang ating invite code. Ilagay nyo po yung 5WMV7. Okay, so ayan po, lalabas po kung sino yung nag-invite sa inyo. And then, nakalagay dito, thanks to you're earning a 10% bonus on your commissions for the next 30 days. So, kasi po, pag may invite code po kayo, makaka-earn po kayo ng $5 upon application. So, maglagay po tayo ng ating username. Then, skip lang po muna natin ang profile photo, pero pwede nyo rin pong mag-add agad ng photo. Then, ilagay po natin ang ating bio. Sample po ay passionate about sharing helpful finds, ideas, and recommendations that make everyday life easier and more inspiring. So, pwede pong kahit ano po ilagay nyo dyan. Then, kung may Instagram po kayo, pwede nyo i-link ang inyong username sa Instagram. So, skip lang po muna natin. So, ayan, join 100K plus creators. So, next lang na. Then, ayan na po, brands pay you when people shop your recs or your recommendation. So, itap and hold lang po natin ito. Then, charan! Ayan po ang mga sample na brands na pwede nyong i-recommend. So, in order to start earning commission, i-add lang po natin ang ating first recommendation. So, i-next lang po natin. What's a book you love? So, kailangan lang po nating sagutin. So, ilagay po natin, example is Harry Potter. And the Philosopher's Stone. So, ayan na po, lumabas na po yung Harry Potter collection. So, next lang po natin. Naka-auto-affiliate link na po siya. So, what do you like about it? So, sagutan lang po natin. So, it feels like more than just a story. The magic feels real. So, that's it. Na-add na po natin ang ating first rec. So, we will proceed with the next. So, Nachos product. Expand your reach by sharing a local recommendation. So, i-click lang po natin ang next. So, what's your favorite restaurant near Bacolod? So, ilagay po natin is ang Aida's Chicken Inasal. Ayan po, nag-scan na po siya. Then, ayan po, next lang po natin. Then, what do you like about it? So, sagutan lang po natin yan. So, ilagay po natin. It is super juicy, smoky, and packed with flavor. Okay, just added your first local rec. Nice. Okay, so i-next lang po natin. So, may mga high quality list, trend more. So, keep adding recs to earn the optimized badge. So, dapat maging optimized siya. So, next lang natin. And then, share to Instagram. Start with $5. Then, i-share lang po ninyo sa Instagram para magkaroon kayo ng $5 sa inyong account. So, add to Instagram story. So, yun lang po. Ganun lang kadali.